Right now, you think you're consciously watching this video. But beneath the surface, an incredibly complex, multi-million-dollar operation is running without your permission, hiding secrets from you. In fact, if we look closely at a perfectly normal day, a rather unsettling question emerges. Are you actually the boss of your own life, or are you just an employee who hasn't been fired yet? The mystery starts the exact second your alarm goes off. Instantly, a massive internal war breaks out inside your head, and you aren't even invited. A tiny wake-up system in your brainstem starts screaming, firing electrical signals to slap your consciousness awake. But a rival, sleep-promoting zone acts like a grumpy old man throwing shoes at the wall, desperately trying to pull you back under. You lie there, completely frozen, while these two microscopic factions battle for control of your eyelids. Once you finally drag yourself out of bed, your brain instantly shifts into a hidden autopilot mode. As you stumble toward the kitchen, you don't actually think about how to walk. If your conscious mind had to manually steer your legs, balance your weight, and calculate your path to the coffee maker all at once, you'd instantly overheat and crash like a cheap laptop. Instead, a deep automation center takes over the steering wheel, running your body on pure habit. Your brain deliberately locks you out of your own daily physical operations just to save time, leaving you free to stare blankly at the wall like a glitching robot and wonder why you exist. Then a sudden twist in the routine happens. You drop your mug. It slips from your fingers, and before your conscious mind even registers that it's falling, your hand darts out and catches it midair. You didn't plan that. A lightning-fast emergency circuit completely bypassed your slow, conscious awareness, routing the danger signal straight to your muscles. Your brain treated a falling coffee mug like a lunging predator, saved the day, and only then notified you about it. It's like having a hyper-reactive Secret Service detail, protecting a president who has no idea they're even in danger. Which leaves you wondering, if your brain can run your body and save your life without your permission, what exactly do they need you for? The plot thickens as the workday begins. You're sitting at your desk, trying to focus, when you suddenly zone out. You might think your brain is entering a low-power screensaver mode to save electricity, but neuroscientists discovered something fascinating. When you daydream, a massive web of brain regions completely fires up. Even though you are just staring intensely at a spreadsheet, your brain is burning a staggering amount of energy, working overtime behind the scenes to rewrite your memories, simulate fake arguments with your boss, and wonder if penguins have knees. It bursts into a chaotic world of background programs it refuses to share with you, actually working harder when you think you're doing nothing. By the time the sun goes down, this hidden operation launches its most aggressive phase. The moment the lights fade, your brain triggers a chemical countdown, dripping melatonin into your system to shut down your conscious thoughts. But don't let the quiet fool you, because the moment your eyes close, a literal night shift cleaning crew arrives to kickstart the real action. Your brain tissues physically shift, creating wider pathways for fluid to rush through like a miniature plumbing system. Your brain is quite literally pressure washing its own hallways with high-powered water hoses, flushing away the toxic waste that built up during your chaotic day. It is a massive, highly coordinated maintenance project, and you are completely locked out of the building for it. Think about all these pieces of evidence. From the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep, your brain is running a massive, hidden world of background programs. This leaves us with a profound question that top neuroscientists and philosophers are still desperately trying to answer. Where do you actually fit into all of this? Is the voice inside your head, the you that feels in control, actually driving the vehicle, or are you just a passenger looking out the window, convinced you're holding a steering wheel that moves on its own? If you want to keep exploring the weird realities of being human, hit subscribe, and look right here at this next video to find out what else your mind is hiding from you.